I'm going to example graphing a logarithmic function. This assumes that you have some basic knowledge of what a logarithm is. If you do, you need to. If you don't, you need to look that information up somewhere else. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the domain. The domain requires that x minus 5 has to be greater than 0. Whatever is in here needs to be greater than 0. Okay, because logarithms of negative numbers are imaginary, logarithms of 0 don't exist. So only logarithms of positive numbers are real numbers. So we take this thing that has to be greater than 0, add 5 to both sides, x is greater than 5. There will be an asymptote at x equals 5. Okay? It's like a wall that the graph can approach but never actually touch. So, here it is. X equals 5. All right? I will pick 3 integers for x with x being greater than 5. Okay? I propose they have to be greater than 5. So x equals 6, x equals 7, x equals 8. A fact that is helpful is that log base b of k is log of your number over log of the base you want to use. Okay? We'll be using that to do these. So at x equals 6, y equals log base 3 of 6 minus 5 plus 1. That's going to be log base 3 of 1 plus 1, which gives me log of 1 over log of 3 plus 1. This is actually going to come out even. I'm going to take my calculator, log of 1, 0. Yep, 0 out of anything is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. I have 6, 1. Next step, x equals 7. So y would equal log base 3 of 7 minus 5 plus 1. Okay? So that'll be log base 3 of 2 plus 1. So log of 2 over log of 3 plus 1. All right, so log of 2. Enter. That gives me 0.3. Divided by log of 0.3, or log of 3. That gave me 0.63. Plus 1, 1.63. Okay? So 7 and 1.63. Finally, at x equals 8, y equals log base 3 of 8 minus 5 plus 1. That's log of 3. I'm sorry, that's going to be log base 3 of 3 plus 1. Well, let me erase that because I made things a little bit too big. Okay? That's going to be log base 3 of 3 plus 1. Okay? So, log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus 1. Well, folks, that's second divided by itself. That's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 8, comma, 2. We have an asymptote. We have 3 points. 6, 1. 7, about 1.63, looks like it's about right here. And then 8, 2. And then it needs to be a curve that avoids this asymptote. That's it. I'm done.